Hi friends, good morning. Today we discuss about direction concept. In direction, first topic will be sunrises. Sunrises topic will be very important. This topic will be very easy and so many people confused. But different type of exams, it is will be mandatory question. It is easy topic. In sunrises, the sun is rises in east direction. So sun rises. The sun is rises in east direction. So the rises will be in this direction. So in this, suppose the man is standing here. The man is standing here. Here he is facing in north direction. He is facing in north direction. He is facing north direction. This is for his right. This is for his left. So the rises will be in this direction. That means the shadow will be his left. Means left side. Shadow will be left side. Suppose the man is facing in south direction. So the sun will be same. The sun will be same east direction. The rises will be in this direction. But the man is facing in south direction. He is left. He is right. The shadow will be his right side. This is for his shadow. Sorry. So this shadow will be this shadow, but his man here will be this shadow will be this side. This means his right side. Next, the man is facing in east. Suppose the man is facing his east direction. This is his right. This is his left. The rises in west direction. So the rises will be, sun will be here. The rises will be in this direction. So the rises will be this direction. The rises, so the shadow will be his backside. That means his backside of the is facing. Next, suppose the man is facing in west direction. The rises will be in this direction. In this direction, the shadow will be his front side. He is facing in the direction, means this is right side. This is his left. The shadow will be his front side. That means this is his shadow. In sunrises concept, earlier what I am telling, just forget. I give you simple trick. This is very useful for you solving the questions in examination. So blindly remember this one. In sunrises concept, blindly remember this. The shadow will be in sunrises concept. The shadow will be always in west direction only. The always in west direction only. The shadow always will. Here will be rises. Sun will be east direction. The shadow will be always in west direction will be. But only matter will be where you are standing. That is where you are standing and which direction will be you are facing. That is important. Let's see. Suppose you are standing here and facing in north direction. That means this is for right, this is for left. That means your left side, your left side and west direction. Suppose you are standing here, this is your left, this is your right, but the shadow will be your right. The shadow will be your right. Shadow will be always his direction, but only change will be you changed. Initially now here, then finally you will be here. Now you changed. Suppose you are facing in this direction, east direction, changing east direction. Now the shadow will be here only, but your back side. Suppose you are standing here, the shadow will be here only. You are facing in this direction. The shadow will be your front side only. Okay, this is clear, everyone? Okay, this will be very important. Just remember this concept, very easy for to solving any number of questions. So sunrises concept will be directly opposite for the sunset. Sunset will be in sunset concept opposite for the sunrises. So the sun is set in west direction, so the rises will be in east direction. The shadow will be always in east direction only. Suppose you are facing in this east direction, the shadow will be your front side. Suppose you are facing west direction, the shadow will be this is shadow. The shadow will be your back side. Suppose you are facing in this direction, that means south direction, the shadow will be you are facing this side, means this is right, this is left, your left direction. Suppose you are facing in north direction, that means you are facing in north direction. That is, if this is right, this is left. This is right, this is left. So shadow will be your right direction. So this logic is, remember, sufficient for to solving n number of question. Sunset and sunrises concept. Okay. In sunrises, first question. One morning after sunrise, Mohan was standing facing a fall. The shadow of the fall fit exactly to his right. To which direction was he facing? In morning, that means sunrises concept. The morning, the Mohan is facing fall, so facing to fall, but the shadow will be is exactly right side. Ramu right side, shadow is there. So which direction he is facing? For option A east, option B south, option C west, option C north. This question will be very easy. Without using any pen and paper, you solve the question. In question, clearly mentioned in sunrises. Sunrises means the sun is rises in east direction. The shadow will be in west direction. In west direction. Okay. But in case in problem clearly mentioned Mohan and Paul. So this is for fall. This is for fall. Next person will be Mohan. Suppose Mohan is standing here. Mohan is standing. Two possibilities there. Mohan is standing here or here. That means Mohan is standing in north direction. Mohan is standing in south direction. Though in question east will be eliminated, west will be eliminated. Remaining two options will be there. That means south or north. So clearly mentioned the fill will be his right side. The shadow of the fall shadow will be his right side. Fall shadow means shadow will be definitely this side. The shadow of fall will be this side only. So his right side. Suppose he is facing in north direction. That means this is facing his direction. This is his right. This is his left. Okay. The shadow will be, now you will see the shadow will be his left direction. So in clearly mentioned the shadow will be his right direction. So this is not correct way. He is facing in south direction. Option B is correct. Okay, you are understanding? The man is facing in south direction. So suppose, okay, the man is facing in south direction. Okay. Second question. One evening before sunset, two friends, Sumit and Mohit, were talking to each other and face to face. If Mohit's shadow was exactly to his right side, which direction was Sumit facing? So in this question is sunset concept. Sunset and sunrise concept will be very easy. But in this problem I will give, I'm not solved full details, but I will be tricky in this concept. So here will be two possible terms there, face to face. That means one will be this way, second will be this. Second possibility is this way. This is east, this is west, this is south, this is north. So two possible terms. Face to face means two possible terms. But in this question they talking about is right and left. In this any question, not only this question, any question talking about right side or left side, this will be only this concept will be used. In question is asking back side or front side, this will be using this one. So his shadow will be his front side, his shadow will be his back side. At that time it will be east and west. So in this problem talking about right side, so two option will be eliminated. One will be west will be eliminated, D will be eliminated, so east will be eliminated. The answer will be north and south. So this will be 2. But in this question, in evening section, so clearly read the question, evening or morning. In evening section, in evening time, the sun is in west direction. That means the sun is in west direction. The shadow will be in east. The shadow will be east direction. So who is the, if Mohit's shadow was exactly his right side, suppose Mohit is facing in this direction, that means facing, Mohan is facing in south direction. So Mohan is facing south direction, that means in this direction. This is for his left, this is for his right. Okay, this is for his left, his right. So the shadow will be Mohit's shadow will be his right side. That means the shadow will be his right side. So Mohit is facing in south direction. So the answer will be south. B is correct. Okay. Next, Mohit is facing in south direction. Sumit is facing in north direction. Clear? Okay.